بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Before the Eid break, we had started the second dua of Kunut. So inshallah, we will continue with this, inshallah. So we had done up to Al-Khair, but I will just redo it. So Allahumma inna nasta'inuka wa nastaghfiruka وَنُؤْمِنُ بِكَ وَنَتَوَكَّلُ عَلَيْكَ وَنُثْنِي عَلَيْكَ الْخَيْرَ. So we know this word, Allahumma. Means, oh Allah. This has come before. Inna is a combination of inna plus na. There are two words in it. Inna plus na. So inna plus na becomes inna. It means indeed we. Oh Allah, indeed we. Inna means indeed, na means we. Indeed we. Oh Allah, indeed we. Nasta'inu. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'inu. So this is the same word which came in Surah Fatiha. Nasta'inu. We ask for help. Indeed we ask for help. Ka is an attached pronoun which is attached to this verb, this fail. It means you. We ask for help from you. Wa and nastaghfiruka. Nastaghfiru. We ask for forgiveness. From maghfira. This word is from maghfira. We ask for forgiveness. Ka, you. We ask for forgiveness from you. Ka is again another word which is a pronoun attached to a verb. Wa and nu'minu. Nu'minu is from iman, belief. Nu'minu, we believe. You should, it's a pattern here. Na. All these three words are mudare. The last word in the mudare column. When we get to those chapters, we will inshallah see them. And they are starting with na. So there is an inside door which is we here. Nu'minu, we believe. Bika, be with ka, you. Wa. And natawakkalu. It is from tawakkul, from trust. Natawakkalu, we trust or we will trust. Again, this is the last word in the mudari column. Alayka, ala plus ka, alayka. Upon you. Here a pronoun is attached to a harf. Alayka, upon you. Wa. And nusni. Nusni is from sana. Nusni, we praise. Alayka, same alayka which was here. Alayka, upon you. Al khair, the best. The best. Oh Allah, indeed we ask for help from you. And we ask for forgiveness from you. And we believe with you, or you can say we believe in you. In you is better. You know, it's better English. And we believe in you. And we trust upon you. And we praise upon you, or you can say we praise you the best. And we praise you the best. Now it's the next part, which is the new part. وَنَشْكُرُكَ وَلَا نَكْفُرُكَ وَنَخْلَوْ وَنَتْرُكُ مَنْ يَفْجُرُكَ. Wa. Wa means and. We know this already. Now, nashkuru. This is a word we should know. We should know. We should know the first word and we should know the chapter. So there are two questions. What is the first word in this pattern and what chapter it belongs to? Can anybody tell me?
Shakara yashkuru, nasara yansuru.
Shakara yashkuru. Very good. So can you do the TPI of Shakara? Reach nashkuru. Shakara means what?
Okay, Shakara means he was thankful.
He was thankful. Do shakara, start from shakara, reach nashkuru. Give me the meaning of nashkuru.
Okay. Shakara, shakaru, shakarta, shakartum, shakartu, shakarna. Yashkuru, yashkuruna. Tashkuru, tashkuruna. Ashkuru, nashkuru.
Meaning.
We are thankful.
We are thankful or we will be thankful. Ka use. Good job, Muhammad. We are thankful to you. So this is where now we are using the knowledge that we have learned. So now we are using that knowledge, and that's the objective of learning that knowledge. So we could apply it, and that's what we are doing exactly here. We are thankful ka you. We are thankful to you. Wa. And la not nakfuru. Somebody else other than Muhammad. Give me the first word and chapter for this.
Kafara yakfuru.
Who is this?
Musab.
Musab. Kafara yakfuru. Very good. Kafara. Kafara means what? He disbelieved or he was unthankful. Okay.
Okay.
Can you start from kafara, reach nakfuru, give me the meaning?
Okay. Kafara, kafaru, kafarta, kafartum, kafartu, kafarna. Yakfuru, yakfuruna, takfuru, takfuruna, akfuru, nakfuru.
Meaning?
You disbelieve, you all disbelieve, we disbelieve, or we all will disbelieve?
If it is in the meaning of being unthankful, then what will be the meaning?
We are unthankful or we will be unthankful.
Very good. So because it has come in contrast with nashkuru, so we will translate this one as we are unthankful. Ka you. We are unthankful to you. La nakfuruka, we are not unthankful to you. Wa and nakhlau. So we have done this chapter also. Somebody tell me the first word. There could be two options here. What are the two options? What could be the two chapters it could belong to?
خلع يخلع. And
say it again.
خلع يخلع.
Okay.
فتح يفتح.
Could I mean technically could this belong to another chapter? Just by looking at nakhlau. If you don't know what is the first word, you just know this. Technically.
نقرأ.
No. I mean
Samia.
Samia. Because this is a mudare. So lam has a zabar, a fatha, and in bab Samia it also have the second letter have a fatha. So if somebody doesn't know the first word, he would be wondering, is this chapter Fataha or chapter Samia? That where the confusion will be, right? So at least you can narrow it down to two chapters. And then you can figure out, as Ibrahim said, this is Bab Fataha. Bab Fataha. So any volunteers to start from Khala'a and reach Nakhlau? Khala'a means he removed. So Nakhlau means, can somebody do a TPI from Khala'a, reach Nakhlau, and give me the meaning?
I can, I think.
Who is this?
Adiba.
Adiba, go ahead.
Khala'a, what does it mean? He removed?
He removed.
Khala'a, he removed. Khala'u, they removed. Khala'ata, you removed. Khala'tu, tum, you all removed. Khala'tu, I removed. Khala'na, we removed.
Khala'tu, khala'na.
Khala'tu, khala'na. Yakhla'u, he removes or he will remove. Khala'atum, yakhla'u.
You do without translation. Yakhla'u, yakhla'una. Next.
Yakhla'una. Takhla'u, takhla'una. Akhla'u, nakhla'u.
You got nakhla'u. What's the meaning now?
Nakhlau means we remove or we will remove.
Very good. Perfect. We will remove or we will remove. So up till now, we are thankful to you, and we are not unthankful to you, and we remove. In Urdu, we say khula. Khula. Hmm? Khula is a term when a wife wants to remove the husband from his life. Hmm? She doesn't want to remain a wife of that person. So khula, just remember this. Wa. And again, somebody else now, new person. Tell me what's the first word and what is the chapter?
Taraka yatruku.
Who is this?
Abir.
All right, Abir, very good. Can you give me, start from the first word, give me the meaning and reach it.
Okay. Taraka means he took. No. Taraka means he left.
He left, yeah.
Taraka, taraku, tarakta, taraktum, taraktu, tarakna. Yatruku, yatrukuna. Tatruku, tatrukuna. Atruku, natruku.
Natruku mean?
Natruku means we left.
Yeah, we leave.
We leave or we will leave.
Yeah. Man means who. Okay, don't mix it with min. Good job, Abir. Man means who. Yafjuru ka. So yafjuru. Can somebody tell me the first word and chapter for this one? Somebody who hasn't participated yet.
Fajara yafjuru.
Who is this?
Arham.
Arham. Fajara yafjuru. What will be the chapter then?
Fajara yafjuru. So
yeah, that's the pattern. But what is the main pattern on this one? Huh?
Fataha yaftahu. Bab fataha. No, not
Nasara yansuru.
Bab nasara.
Yeah, Bab Nasara. Bab Nasara yansuru. Fajara yafjuru. So they are similar, right?
Yes.
Okay, what will be the first word, Arham?
Fajara.
Fajara. Start from Fajara. Fajara means he disobeyed. Huh?
He disobeyed.
Reach yafjuru and tell me the meaning.
Fajara, fajaru, fajarta, fajartum, fajartu, fajarna. Yafjaru,
Yafjuru. You got it. You got it. Yafjuru.
Fajara means he disobeyed. Fajaru means they disobeyed. Fajarta means you disobeyed. Fajartum means you all disobeyed. Fajarna means Fajartu means I disobeyed. Fajarna means we disobeyed.
Yafjuru meaning?
Yafjuru means we disobeyed or we will disobey. We
No.
will disobey.
There is no we here.
Oh, he will disobey.
He disobeys or he will disobey.
He disobeyed or he will disobey.
Ka, you. Okay. So if I combine our, thank you, Arham. Very good job. Thank you. And we are thankful to you. And we are not unthankful to you. And we remove, like remove from our lives. We remove. And we leave or we abandon. We remove and we abandon. Who disobeys you? Who he disobeys? That's not good translation. Good English. Who disobeys you? We did not accomplish much today, but I think this was good participation. So now we have up to Yafjuruka, and we can inshallah practice this, and tomorrow inshallah we will try to finish this dua. So if it is okay for now, we could, if there are no questions, we could go to the breakout room. Any questions?
Brother Shabazz, can you do the full thing up to here, just English?
Sure. O Allah, indeed we ask for help from you, and we ask for forgiveness from you, and we believe in you, and we trust upon you, And we praise you. We are not translating Allah because Allah normally comes with this word. This is a partner with it. So it is not really necessary to translate Allah here. And this is the requirement of English language actually. And we praise you the best. Because if we say we praise upon you, this is not really good English. And we praise you the best. And we are thankful to you. And we are not unthankful to you. And we remove. And we abandon who disobeys you. Or we can say we leave who disobeys you. Any other comments, questions?
So brother, what is remove over here? What we are removing? Wanatruka?
That person who disobeys.
Okay.
Yeah, the person who disobeys. We are saying that we remove him. We remove him from our lives.
Okay.
Huh? We separate from that person. We separate and we leave. Can you say that too, if that makes sense? And we separate and we leave
The one who.
who disobeys you. We separate ourselves. We remove ourselves, or remove that person actually. We remove that person from our, and we don't associate with that person who disobeys you. Any other?
Can I do it for practice if we have time?
Oh, yeah. How about in breakout room, brother?
Okay.
Yeah, me side. Huh?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, inshallah. We will have time in there, inshallah.
All right.
Jazakallah khair.